Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to tell you about another new Discord bot that I've personally coded, and everything in it is based on the latest version. In today's video, I'll show you its features, where to get its source code, how to set it up, and yes, you'll also get a discount coupon later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's go. So, this bot is for backing up members. It will back up all the members of your server and keep them saved. This way, if your server gets deleted or nuked, your members will still be safe, and you can easily restore them to a new server. Now let's head over to Discord, and I'll show you how to set it up. So, this is our bot, and here's the server I've created just for testing. First, we'll create a verification channel. It's simple. Now, in this channel, we'll set up the bot. We'll also need a role, so I'll create a verified role, give it a color, and it's done. Now we have a role, and I'll assign some permissions to it. Next, we'll remove the view channel permission for everyone in all other channels, and grant it only to the verified role. Now let's proceed to set up the verification channel. Simply run the /verify command, give the embed a title, and I already have a nice description ready, so I'll use that. To add a new line, you just need to type \n. Then, select the role to be assigned upon verification, choose a white color, and set a thumbnail and image. You can also add a footer, but I'm skipping that for now. Once you send the embed, you can see it gets posted. You can design this embed however you like. Now, I'll quickly remove the view channel permission for everyone in all categories and grant it to the verified role. This ensures that new members can only see the server after getting the verified role. I'll set this up quickly, and then I'll test it using an alt account. I'll copy the invite link and join the server using my alt account. As you can see, I can't view any channels right now. To verify, I'll click on the Verify button. The bot will ask random math questions every time you click. Now it says that no log channel is found. So, we'll create a private category and a log channel. Then, I'll copy the channel ID and add it to the code. I'll show you later where to add it. Now I'll verify myself, and as you can see, the bot is asking me to verify. Simply click Authorize and Verify. The bot shows that I am now verified, and the role has been assigned to me. You can design this verification page if you know HTML and CSS, but I've kept it simple. Now if I go back to Discord, you can see I've been assigned the verified role, and I can access all the channels. You can also remove the verified role's permission to view the verification channel so users won't see it after verifying. For example, if the server gets nuked or deleted, all members will be gone. Let's test this by kicking the alt account. Now, if you want to re-add the account to the same server or a new server, you can. Simply run the /join command, and you can see the bot has re-added the account. It's not showing up because we've set up verification. Once I assign the verified role, you can see it works perfectly. This way, the bot can re-add thousands of members if needed. Now let's talk about how to get the bot's source code. The link is in the description, which will take you to my Patreon page. You'll find this bot there under the Backup Members Bot section. I've kept the price very reasonable, only $9.99. If you want an additional discount, here's a discount code that will give you 30% off. After purchasing, you'll receive 2 files, the complete source code of the bot, which you can customize as per your needs, and a README file with a step-by-step guide to setting it up, even if you have no prior knowledge about bots. Once you've purchased and unzipped the file, you'll see the source code. First, go to the config.json file and enter your bot token, bot ID, and MongoDB URL. If you don't know about these, no worries. You can search on YouTube or join my Discord server for personal help. Next, go to the .env file and add your bot owner ID, client secret, client ID, and OAuth URL, all of which can be found in the Discord developer portal. Also, add the guild ID of the server where you're setting this up and the logs channel ID. After this, open the terminal and run node ... your bot will start running. Then, go to the developer portal, paste the same URL into the redirects section, and enable the scopes, identity, guilds, and guilds join. Use the OAuth URL generated here in your .env file, and you're done. Your bot is ready to use. I hope you liked the video and the bot. Please, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hurry up to make your purchase before the discount ends. If you still need help hosting the bot, feel free to DM me, and I'll assist you. All right, bye-bye. Take care.